1 minute skate park guide, Aintree Skate Park, Woodley. This skate park is about 2 minutes drive down to the main Woodley estate, so I probably recommend going there instead of here. But, however, if it's wet, you can come here and it's a little bit drier. There's only a few things at the skate park, like they've got this big taco thing, which is got square edging, which is a little bit tricky to ride. They got the quarter pipe, which is probably the best thing at the whole skate park. It's nice and long. It's probably about 5 foot and it's got good coping. Next, we've got a fun box in the middle, which is good as well because they've actually made the proportions quite good with the landing being a bit longer than the takeoff. So they got that there. There's ledges everywhere. There's up and down ledges. There's a few corner ledges, but the edging doesn't actually go all the way around, which is a bit weird. They've got a big basketball court next to it, which you can launch into, and there's a little square rail. So I give this skate park 2 VBs out of the Aintree pack.